Alright, so I lost the first half of the video because I didn't have the phone plugged in. It's always something, right? Murphy's Law. Murphy's Law. So anyway, we left off doing the continuity check. Let's start there again. Perfect. It's a lot better when you clean up those bushings, though. So, done with that. Started cleaning the bushings. I went with P400, 400 grit, and I'm going to finish it off with 1500. 400 definitely speeds things up. There's some grooves in this bushing here, which is funny because that's the same grooves that I found in the first alternator. Now these are from a cucv, so there's two. But the same bushing, same grooves. I don't think it went all the way through. Wondering if the bushing still has life in it. Looks pretty worn down. Alright. I'm going to skip the boring stuff. Let me see if I can get that groove out. Alright. So we're back. About an hour later, couldn't get the rotor out of the front housing because it was so rusted in there. Rust was just oozing out, hitting it with lubricant. Because I guess somebody never put grease in the shaft. Common sense. How about some fucking grease on the shaft? And it never would have happened. The first one I rebuilt